What's going on today, YouTube? Today, I just want to explain to you my views and why I think it is always terrible to just buy the dip. And we're going to use Bitcoin because yeah, it's crashing right now. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, I make content like this all the time. Main goal of this channel is for you guys to stop losing money when you're investing because I think far too many people do. And there are key things rather than just listening to the next guru out there. Key things you need to look for when you start analyzing stuff like this. So, like, subscribe to my channel, comment below. Let me know if you guys have any videos you want to see, like something about investing or something stock market related, crypto related, anything. Leave a comment below. I'll make a video about it. There's a lot of stuff I know about that I don't know if you guys would even care if I made a video about it. That's why I don't. But let's get back to it. Okay. Everyone always tells you, buy the dip. Oh, Bitcoin crashed. It's on sale right now. It's going to go back up. And guess what, guys? It doesn't always go back up. So just be cautious. This is a live chart right now on Thursday. But, okay. I called out in a video. I'll link it up here. I called out in a video before that I said, right now, I said all I'm doing is showing you guys what I see in Bitcoin. All this basically was is I made a line here and a line here. And I called out and I said I did one here and did one here when it was a long time ago. But did one here. And I was like, I see a descending triangle pattern. And what that means is when it falls below this resistance line, finally, because it keeps on hitting off, bouncing up, hitting off, bouncing up, but the bounces keep on getting lower and lower. When it crosses this line, that is no good in a technical trading aspect. And look, they broke the line and now it's struggling to recover. Theoretically, right now, the only support I see is a little one right here, and it's not much. I mean, that's a little consolidation like that. That's not much of a line. And you could say there's one here. So for the sake of this, I'm just going to leave that line because it's pretty close. And the other one, I had a post on Instagram, and I said, where do you guys think Bitcoin's going to fall? I had a line here too because there's a little support line right there because of this consolidation. Same as down here. I don't really, but I mean, it already broke past that. So right now, it's going to here, at least. $8,000 mark. And now we're going to move me over here so you guys can see. But right here, the next strong support line I see would honestly have to be the whole way down here, guys. Why I say that is because it came up to here, it stopped. So that was a good, solid resistance line. And then when it broke it, it came back down and it supported at that same level. So that's two tests. And that's a lot bigger of a consolidation than these little guys up here. So really, the strongest one I see coming up is the whole way down here. At around 6,000. I mean, that is a solid drop. If you got in, I guarantee some people got in up here or here when they thought it was going to keep on spiking, and they haven't got out yet. So, you want to be successful in the market. You cut your losses quickly when you're wrong, and you look for these patterns. You don't just trust Joe Schmo out there that says, oh, I did this right, this right, this right. Do a little bit of your own research, look at it, get a feel for it, and decide whether or not you think it's a good buy. Don't trust anyone out there. And I'm not even saying trust me, but I just want to show you guys what I see as possible where it's going to go. So, things to take away from this video. Don't ever buy the dip just to buy the dip. Around here, when it was consolidating here, this was forming a support line, but if you look in the past, there's nothing here. There's nothing for it to stop. And I mean, these lines are hypothetical, but it does work like it bounces a good fair amount off of this stuff a lot of times. So I mean, I see a little line here, but I see the strongest line I see is down here. So the point of the video, don't just buy the dip to buy the dip. Number 2, do your own research. Everyone can look at these charts and see where stuff bounces and where stuff holds. Number 3, I believe you're going to be a lot more successful if you do this stuff yourself Don't trust Joe Schmo out there, and you'll feel a lot better. You'll feel a lot better if you crack a trade and you're like, yes, I'm the one that thought of that. I'm the one that did that. I didn't just hear someone on the news say Bitcoin's going to go up or Bitcoin's going to go down and buy or sell based on that. It's not hard. It's not hard to see these lines. Like, I have other videos out there on support and resistance lines. Check them out. And if you have any questions, feel free. Leave a comment. I'm happy to help. Anyone can learn this stuff. So, leave a comment, like this video, share it, subscribe. I'm trying to get this out there. Anyone listen, get this out there to people. My goal of this channel is to help you make money instead of the 95% of people that lose money trying to make these trades all the time. So, I'll see you guys next time.